Keep watching to see how to make this Christmas card that only uses one red pen. Here are all of the supplies that you need for this card. All of the specific items that I used will be linked in the description box below. The first step, as always, is to draw out the design in pencil. This step will probably take you the most time for this design, as it's fairly complex, but once you have this done, it's really easy to go over it with your red pen. Then, once you have everything drawn out, it's simply tracing over all of the lines that you'd previously drawn with your thin red pen, whichever red pen you choose to use. I started with the lettering, and then I basically built out from there. So I did some of the holly details on either side of the Merry Christmas, and then I went down to the bottom of the card and drew in all of the details there. If you look really closely, you can see that my lines are not perfectly straight and symmetrical and equidistant from one another, but that's what I think gives this card a really unique and handmade look. If you wanted something a little bit more symmetrical, you would just have to use a ruler or perhaps simplify the design slightly. And then to do the top lines and design of this card, I simply rotated it and simply continue going over all of the previously drawn pencil lines until you're done. This card is fairly simple to make, but surely impressive given some of the complex design elements, but just using one pen, again, makes it really easy to do. Check out my free template in the description box below to further simplify making this card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy crafting!